Gardening. It's more than just a hobby, it's a journey into health and well-being, a chance to connect with nature, and to nurture both body and soul. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits gardening offers. Discover how digging in the dirt can lead to a healthier, happier you. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, gardening is within reach. Let's unlock the secrets to a thriving garden and a healthier life. Step into a world of vibrant colors and fresh air. Feel the sun on your skin as you nurture life from the ground up. Gardening is a sensory experience. It engages your mind, body, and spirit, and it offers a wealth of health benefits that extend far beyond the garden gate. Let's delve into the ways gardening can transform your well-being. Get ready to reap the rewards of a truly enriching experience. Gardening is a gentle yet effective way to stay active. Every bend, dig, and plant is exercise in disguise. Feel your muscles stretch as you reach for a ripe tomato. Build strength as you dig into the earth. Gardening keeps you moving naturally. And the best part, you set the pace. Take breaks when you need them. Enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Gardening is movement that nourishes your body and soul. Step away from the hustle and bustle. Enter a world of tranquility. Gardening is your stress-free zone, the feel of cool soil in your hands, the scent of herbs carried on the breeze. These sensory experiences melt away tension. Studies show that gardening can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It's a natural way to find calm and peace. So take a deep breath and let the garden soothe your mind. It's a sanctuary waiting to be explored. Gardening is a journey of discovery. It requires attention, observation. It keeps your mind engaged and sharp. Notice the subtle changes in your plants, the unfurling of a new leaf, the first bloom of a delicate flower. These small wonders foster a sense of wonder. They remind us to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. Gardening is a mindful practice that keeps your mind active and engaged. Imagine this, a salad made with fresh-picked lettuce from your own garden. The taste, unforgettable. Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. It connects you to the source of your nourishment, and it tastes amazing. But the rewards go beyond flavor. Gardening fosters a sense of accomplishment, of self-sufficiency. It's a reminder that you can nurture life and reap the delicious rewards. First things first, let's find the perfect spot for your garden to thrive. Most vegetables and flowers crave sunshine. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Think about the space you have. A sunny patio is ideal for potted herbs. A south-facing balcony can become a haven for tomatoes and peppers. Don't be discouraged if your space is limited. Even a windowsill can host a thriving herb garden. It's about finding pockets of sunshine and making the most of them. Remember, gardening is about working with nature, not against it. Observe the patterns of sunlight in your space and choose the sunniest spots for your plants to soak up the rays. Don't feel overwhelmed by the prospect of creating a sprawling garden overnight. Start small and let your garden grow with your confidence. Begin with a few pots of easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. These fragrant companions thrive with minimal care and reward you with fresh flavors for your kitchen. Once you feel comfortable, expand your repertoire. Try your hand at growing lettuce, spinach, or radishes. These fast-growing vegetables offer quick rewards and boost your gardening confidence. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Embrace the learning process, celebrate each small victory, and let your garden evolve organically over time. Short on space? Don't worry. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize your growing area, even in the smallest of spaces. Think outside the traditional garden bed. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or even recycled pallets to create stunning vertical displays. Strawberries tumbling from a hanging basket, cherry tomatoes ripening on a sunny wall. Vertical gardening adds a touch of whimsy and practicality to any space. It's a great way to introduce more greenery into your surroundings, even if you only have a small balcony or patio. Let your imagination run wild and watch your vertical garden flourish. Just like we need nutritious food to thrive, so do our plants. Investing in good quality soil is crucial for a healthy and productive garden. Look for potting mix specifically designed for containers or raised beds. These mixes are formulated to provide the right balance of nutrients and drainage for optimal plant growth. Consider adding compost to your soil. This magical ingredient is like a multivitamin for your plants, enriching the soil with essential nutrients and improving its structure. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants and ultimately to a more bountiful harvest. Remember, it all starts with the foundation. Nurture your soil and your plants will reward you tenfold. The elixir of life: watering. Watering is one of the most fundamental aspects of gardening, yet it is often misunderstood or overlooked. Water is essential for life, especially for our plant companions. Without it, plants cannot photosynthesize, grow, or thrive. But just like us, plants have different watering needs. Some plants prefer a lot of water, while others thrive in drier conditions. The key is to water wisely. This means understanding the specific needs of each plant species in your garden. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch deep into the pot. This simple test can tell you a lot about whether your plants need water. If it feels dry, it's time to water. But remember, the goal is to water deeply, so the roots grow strong and deep. If it feels moist, hold back and check again later. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other issues. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. It can suffocate the roots and lead to fungal diseases. It's best to water deeply and less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plant more resilient. Observe your plants. Wilting leaves can be a sign of thirst, but so can yellowing leaves. It's important to understand the difference. Get to know your plant's watering signals and adjust your routine accordingly. Each plant has its own way of telling you what it needs. By paying close attention and responding appropriately, you can ensure that your garden thrives. Remember, the right amount of water at the right time can make all the difference in the health and beauty of your plants.
Meet Mary, a retired teacher with a passion for roses. After dedicating decades to educating young minds, she now spends her days nurturing her beloved garden. Her garden, a symphony of colors and scents, is a testament to the transformative power of gardening. Each flower, each petal tells a story of patience, care, and love. Gardening has brought so much joy into my life, Mary shares, her eyes sparkling. It's not just about the flowers. It's about the journey, the process of watching something grow from a tiny seed into a beautiful bloom. It's my sanctuary, my place to connect with nature and find peace. In the quiet moments, surrounded by the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet fragrance of roses, I find a deep sense of tranquility. Mary's love for gardening blossomed after retirement. With more time on her hands, she found solace and purpose in tending to her plants. What began as a few rose bushes has flourished into a breathtaking collection, each bloom a source of pride and delight. Every rose has its own unique charm, and together they create a mesmerizing tapestry of colors. I love watching the bees buzz around my roses, Mary says. They play such a crucial role in the ecosystem, and their presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. It's like they're dancing with joy, and it fills me with a sense of wonder. The way they move from flower to flower, gathering nectar, is a beautiful dance of life. For Mary, gardening is more than a hobby. It's a celebration of life. Each day in the garden is a new adventure, a chance to witness the miracles of nature and to be a part of something greater than herself. She often shares her gardening tips with neighbors and friends, spreading the joy and knowledge she has gained over the years. Her garden has become a community hub, a place where people come together to learn, share, and grow. Mary is always eager to learn more about gardening. She spends hours reading books and articles, constantly seeking new ways to improve her garden and make it even more beautiful. One of her greatest joys is teaching her grandchildren about gardening. She believes that instilling a love for nature in the younger generation is one of the most important things she can do. As the sun sets over her blooming sanctuary, Mary reflects on the day with a heart full of gratitude. Her garden is not just a collection of plants, it's a living testament to her love, dedication, and the beauty of life itself.
John, a retired engineer, has always had a green thumb. From a young age, he was fascinated by the magic of planting a seed and watching it grow into something beautiful and useful. His passion for gardening only grew stronger over the years. His backyard vegetable garden is a testament to his dedication, providing fresh, organic produce for his family and friends. Every corner of his garden is meticulously planned and cared for, showcasing a variety of vegetables that thrive under his watchful eye. "There's nothing like the taste of a homegrown tomato," John says with a proud smile, holding up a plump red tomato still warm from the sun. "The flavor is unmatched, a burst of sweetness and tang that store-bought tomatoes simply can't compete with. And knowing that I grew it myself makes it even sweeter. Each tomato, each cucumber, each pepper is a product of my hard work and patience." John's garden is a source of not just fresh food, but also endless satisfaction. It's a place where he can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, finding peace and tranquility among the plants. He enjoys the entire process, from carefully selecting seeds to nurturing his plants. Each step is a labor of love. From the moment he plants the seeds in the rich soil, to the careful watering and tending of the young sprouts, to harvesting the fruits of his labor. The joy of picking a ripe vegetable, knowing that it will soon be part of a delicious meal, is unparalleled. "Gardening keeps me active and engaged," John explains. "It's a hobby that requires both physical effort and mental focus, keeping him sharp and fit. It's my daily dose of exercise and fresh air, and it's incredibly rewarding. The physical activity of digging, planting, and weeding keeps him in good shape, while the fresh air and sunshine lift his spirits." For John, gardening is a way of life, a connection to the earth, and a source of endless joy. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life, the satisfaction of growing your own food, and the beauty of nature's cycles. Every season brings new challenges and rewards, making gardening a never-ending journey of discovery and delight. John also loves sharing his bounty with his neighbors and friends. He often gives away baskets of fresh vegetables, spreading the joy and health benefits of homegrown produce. His garden has become a community treasure, a source of inspiration for others to start their own gardening adventures. He even takes the time to teach the younger generation about gardening, passing on his knowledge and passion. Watching the kids' faces light up as they plant their first seed or pick their first vegetable is one of his greatest joys. In the quiet moments, John reflects on how his garden has shaped his life. It's more than just a hobby, it's a source of purpose and fulfillment. The garden has taught him patience, resilience, and the importance of nurturing life. As the sun sets over his lush garden, John feels a deep sense of contentment. His vegetable bounty is not just a testament to his hard work, but a symbol of his connection to the earth and the simple, profound joys of life.
In the heart of the city, a community garden thrives, bringing people together through their shared love for gardening. Seniors from all walks of life gather here, sharing their knowledge, laughter, and the bounty of their harvest. This garden is our sanctuary. It's a place where we can connect with nature, with each other, and with ourselves. The community garden offers more than just fresh produce. It provides a sense of belonging, purpose, and shared experience. We learn from each other, we laugh together, and we celebrate each other's successes. This garden is a testament to the power of community and the joy of growing something beautiful together.
Before you even touch the soil, let your imagination bloom. Grab a notebook and start sketching your dream garden. Let your creativity run wild. Imagine winding paths, colorful flower beds, and the gentle trickle of a water feature. Plan your vegetable patch, envisioning rows of vibrant greens and plump tomatoes. This is your opportunity to create a garden that reflects your unique style and passions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts, color schemes, and plant combinations. The planning stage is half the fun.
Gardening is even more rewarding when shared with others. Gather your friends, family, or neighbors and host a plant swap. Bring cuttings from your favorite plants, extra seedlings, or even seeds you've saved. It's a wonderful way to expand your plant collection and learn from each other's experiences. Share your gardening triumphs and challenges, exchange tips and advice, and revel in the joy of all things green. You might even discover a hidden talent for propagating plants. And who knows? You might just inspire someone to embark on their own gardening adventure.
As we've discovered, gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey into health, happiness, and a deeper connection with nature. From the physical benefits of gentle exercise to the stress-relieving power of nature, gardening nourishes both body and soul. So embrace the joy of gardening. Start small, dream big, and let your garden become a reflection of your own unique style. Remember, every seed planted is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Happy gardening.